Greetings and welcome to another NetShield demo. In this demonstration, you will learn about one of NetShield's predefined incident response policies. This policy is triggered when a file configuration is illegally modified within a protected directory, initiating an automated process that restores the original configuration. Let us look at the file modification policy. In this policy, the triggering incident condition involves examining the checksum of protected files to identify file modification. The corresponding incident response action will restore the file to its original state. Let us navigate to the protected directory, open an editor, and modify the file named dds.json. I'm going to change the enrollment IP address and save the changes. Next, I will return to the dashboard and refresh the page. Here, we can see an alert indicating that the integrity checksum has changed. Under pending responses, a restore file action has been initiated in response to this alert. If we return to the test directory and reopen the file, we can confirm that the IP address has been restored to its original contents. Thank you for watching our demo, and see you in the next demo.